Girl, you know it's a good day when you got not one, not two, but 4 Hermès bags in your hands. Is these any of my quarter bags? Did we end up landing a quarter bag? We did land some exotics. Just to spill the tea. But is it a quarter bag? Or is it an exotic bag? Were we able to finally get an exotic? Well, we'll soon discover. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your fashion for Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your favorite fashion enthusiast, style educator, and luxury addict, K Deluxe. What's up guys? I'm so thrilled to be back with you this week and doing another week's video. Now this video is going to be a luxury haul unboxing featuring Hermes, everything Hermes here. Today we got a few exotics in the bag. Now if you're already liking this video and you're liking my vibes, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, hype this video. Apparently it does something on YouTube for me, but when you have this video, it somehow helps me and I really appreciate that. So hype this video, as I mentioned twice, this is the third time. Leave a comment in the comment section, share this video with your friends and loved ones, and let's get into it. Now if you're wondering what I'm wearing Hermes, this Hermes scarf here around the neck. I have it sort of like a tie, but not really a tie, but like, you know, kind of chic way. This brooch here, I got this brooch from ASOS. I think I featured it on my last video, my last recent video, ASOS haul, so you could go ahead and check that out. I'm gonna link the stuff here in the description box so you guys could go ahead and shop that if you really wish. This scarf I got last season from Hermes, so they don't have it. They make this scarf limited edition. Like when you see it, you like it, it's best you buy it, because the next time you come back for it or next year, they never bring it back. It's like gone bye-bye. And this denim is 100% cotton denim jacket shirt that I got from COS. I'm gonna link that in the description box so you can go ahead and shop that on my LTK. I will greatly appreciate your love and support. And even if you haven't bought something as yet, subscribe it and turn on the notification bell, and also following me over there will greatly help me as well. And with no more further ado, and I'm not gonna keep you waiting, let's get into this haul. So let's go ahead and start off with the 2 small boxes here. So we're gonna start with this mini one and then we'll work our way up. Now, to be honest with you, I don't remember what I got, because when I got my stuff, I just packed it in the corner, and then I was like, I'm not gonna touch this or unbox this unless I share this with you guys. And I know you guys really love me doing this. Oh, I love my lippy here. Guys, this lippy, I must say, like, I'm so sorry. So like, I really love this. This like gives like your natural like lip color. All I have is this. It's very clear. This balm, and it turns into your natural lip color, which make your lip color like pink or whatever. If you guys interested in it, you could definitely grab that on my LTK. I love this. I've been using this for over 2 years now, and I'm a diehard fan, and I've never went back to ordinary gloss. You can add a gloss on top to have like shine, but this, yeah. But anyways, that's not the video today. I just got sidetracked. Hermes, you always get the Hermes certificate for proof of purchase, because if anything happens and you need to return it to to Hermes, you have to ensure that you have the receipt for them to authenticate it, because they know a lot of people create dupes and they want to ensure that there is an Hermes thing. To be jewels, I think these are jewels, but if anything, is something that I always wanted to have. So yes, it is. Actually, it is. Oh, this is called the mini clutch Kelly. Oh, it's so cute. The mini clutch Kelly in not silver, but palladium hardware. Oh my god, yes, I remember now. Oh my god, I got this to actually build my white gold stack. Now, if you guys don't know, and if you guys follow me over on TikTok, y'all would know that I am building my white gold stack, and I actually got this to go with my white gold stack. Oh my god, yes, I forgot I even have that. and I'm gonna try this on to show you guys how it looks. I have baby wrist. So when coming to find jewelry is very difficult, but this is what she looks like. This is what she looks like, and she blended so cute to the others. Up close view, this is the closest I could go. Goes well with the nails. I like it. I like it. I like it. As I said, I don't remember what I got. So again, it's a bracelet. This one is Le Bracelet Click. So again, click bracelet with an H. And I got this in white, just like the one that I have on here, but in yellow gold. I actually did wanted to get the white to go with the Kelly Click and to go with my other jewelries that I have, my other stack that I can't wait to get. And I was like, I already love the white with the yellow gold, so why not get the white with the palladium hardware? And it goes on. This one, the one I have on here currently is much.
Anyways, where are we, girl? My phone said we have no storage. Anyways, I'm gonna try and do this quickly as possible. But as I was saying, yes, I got her the same Kelly in the yellow gold, white, yellow gold, just as white with palladium. Now this is a bit bigger because I got this in Paris for some reason, and the lady, she did not measure me properly. But in London here, she did measure me properly, and I got a T1 instead of a T2. And as you can see, it's still slightly bigger on my arms. That's it's very tiny wrist, but they don't go any size smaller than this. And it looks really, really cute. I can't wait to style this with my actual full white gold stack. Sweet. Who would have thought I'd be obsessed with Hermes jewelry, like fashion pieces? Unbelievable. I was like, no, I don't like this, I don't want this. And girl, when I saw it, I became obsessed. Like, what? Okay, now we move on to the second small bag. I don't remember what I got here. I think my man bought me this as a present, as a gift. So I don't know what he picks up. Let's see what he picked up. Okay. Let's see if he did. Did he do good? Let's see. I don't know. Okay, so he got me, what do you call this, a bag charm? So is there a bag here? Okay, so he got me a bag charm. I don't actually know what's the name with the horse. You guys, if you guys don't know, some of you guys don't know, I am obsessed with horses. Equestrian, I horse ride a lot, the heck out of it anyways. And oh my god, the fact that he got me this, obviously studied in pink, because you know how much I'm falling in love with pink lately. As you guys know, I always get pink French nails. And I think he got this for a bag to go with what I have, but I'm hoping here is a bag. Oh my god, I love this. Like, it's fully leather. Oh my god, he knows me so much. He knows me very well. He knows what I like. Yep. Let's see what else he got. That's very cute. I really love that. I don't know how much he paid for this. The receipt is here. He left the receipt here, I guess, in case if I don't like it, probably to return it or exchange it. Who knows? Then this looked like a Twilly. Whenever you see a box like this, we already know it's a Twilly. Girl, the bag. I'm so excited. Oh my god. Who doesn't love Hermes? Girl. Let's see. Ooh, she's giving pastels. Very cute, very chic, blues and green. Very much spring summer vibes, and I guess it's like a double wear, a double whammy. So you have one side's nude. So I guess coming for the fall time, winter time, you have that going on there, and then you have this going on there. Very gonna go with this one here first. She's well tied up. Is she a mini Kelly? Is she a Kelly Elong? Is she a Constance? But she's an exotic. We only do exotica over here. The revelation. Oh my god. Guys, I don't think life is too serious. Anyways, we got a Hermes bag here, and you already know it's some shoes. What shoes is it? Then we'll find out. Oh my god. No, if you guys
following me again on TikTok and on Instagram again. Y'all would know I posted this in my story asking you guys which to get. Now I did went in to get some orange and the color green. As you guys see, I want to incorporate green a lot into my wardrobe this year, and it's actually going, it's a vibe. It's actually going here with the other slightly with the green. It's a vibes. Now I got this, I'm a size UK 38, right? Size UK 38. That's an EU 38. I'm a size UK 5. And when I tried this on in the store, I don't know about you, I don't know how people saying orange is uncomfortable. I find these to be mad comfortable. I'm not too sure if the exotics are much more comfortable than the normal ones. I guess yes, okay, you try it on in the store, yes, whatever. But from my experience, like when I was walking in them and stuff, I find they feel really comfortable on the foot. I don't know, but I did love her. She's in ostrich leather in the color Birthday of Verte of Vert. Vert. Green. Verde Vert. Green. And we got her in a size UK 5, and I can't wait to wear her. Like, yeah, she's definitely going on holiday with us. You guys will know where we're going on holiday. I don't know, but I know it's somewhere exotic like these shoes. So y'all better stay tuned to a vlog, the luxury travel vlog, because I'll be coming very soon. Now with this one, as you can see here, apparently with Hermes, when doing purchasing exotics, you gotta fill out a form of a certificate form. You gotta fill that out, okay? You gotta fill out these documents, these documentation. And apparently when traveling with these traveling with these exotics, you gotta carry these documents to customs. If not, you could risk the fact of getting it confiscated or fined or whatever, because you gotta prove and show that you are allowed to have these exotics, and this exotic was purchased from a luxurious house that is certified and qualified to sell these pieces. And that's how you know some people got the fakes. No, I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate and back for this. No, that I don't mean nothing with that. You could wear a replica, I don't give two shits, but I'm just telling you, I'm just letting you guys know, like, if you, ain't nobody gonna be traveling and checking for that other than customs. Now if you have it on you, of course, and if you're going through back security and see you gotta carry this thing on you. I just thought I should mention it. I thought you should know for a lot of girlies that, you know, say they have Hermes. So the receipt her. I'm so dramatic, guys. I don't know. Okay, guys, so we don't have a bags yet. We don't have the coat of bags yet, but we got alligator, crocodile, and lizard. So these are precious skin from Hermes, and this one she eats. Damn, she eats. The color, damn, she eats. And she was the last pair in my size. So it's like, damn, she coming home with me. Like this gorgeous teal blue color. Damn, she's a beauty. Shit. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed with her. I love how she look against my skin. I can't wait to wear her in the summer. Damn, she's gorgeous, guys. If you guys see her in person, yeah, words cannot compare. Now if you're the girlie that own an exotic from Hermes, their bag, their shoes, or whatever it is, You know where I'm coming from. You understand where I'm coming from. You get it. She is a gem. I was like, absolutely, she's coming home with me. She is definitely coming home with me. I did ask to get a bag in this exact color. Now, what my sales associate said to me, you could always walk into the store and ask if they have Constance available. Most times they do. They do have it in exotics or they have it in normal. But she said if a color that is highly requested, it's very much unlikely that you may get it. But usually Constance, I guess, is not quarter bags. And I hope they don't change that. She said you could just walk in. Sometimes you're lucky. But she said come very early. And I'm not going to give specific days. But she said come very early in the morning. And there are times when they have Constance bag available also in exotic. So she said you might be lucky. Hint, hint, hint. The same. Whoever wants to know the information knows, but I'm just saying. So yeah. So do with those information what you will. And if you haven't noticed already, this is the end of the haul. Well, that's it, guys. I really do appreciate you watching this, and next time, this is your favorite fashion enthusiast, style educator, luxury addict. Keep relaxed. Bye.